Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hannah here. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for taking a moment out of this wonderful day to join me. If you would like to be a part of the channel, I'll invite you to go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. Turn on that post notification bell and be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you leave the end of the video. So today's video is going to be a glam DIY, Dollar Tree inspired, and we're going to make designer mirrored wall accents that you can use around your home, okay? So it's going to be easy, affordable, and probably your kind of DIY if you are into the bling, okay? So before I turn this camera off, I want to say to you guys, Happy Mother's Day to each and every last one of my beautiful mothers out there all around the world. If you're watching this video and you're a mother, happy Mother's Day to you. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. It's a blessed day, and today is our day. So enjoy, girlfriend. Kick up your feet, relax, and go ahead and press that play button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye-bye. All right, DIYers, to get started with today's project, you're going to need 3 of these mirrored picture frames from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some custom design decals that I got off of the web, and then I cut them with my vinyl machine. Now, you won't find things like this in the store. They will have to be custom order or something like that. Now, I do have an online store that you can order these from. However, they won't say number 5 Chanel or Dior. You will have to use some letter stickers to create that part. But I can cut the vinyl perfume bottles if you are interested in ordering from a store, and of course the heels is no problem as well. All right, so as an alternative, you could just use any type of sticker image to create a glam look as well. Other items that you would need to complete this DIY will be glitters. I have here some chunky glitter in silver. I have some silver fine glitter and a mixture of gold and silver glitter here. Now you can use whatever you want. You will definitely need some podge, and you will also need some adhesive gems that I don't have here showing, and maybe some bling if you want to bling it up a little bit more. Now, how much of bling you want to use is totally up to you, okay? So if you have all of those things plus a paintbrush, then you should be ready to complete today's DIY. Like I said, it's very simple and very easy to complete. So let's get started. So I'm just going to remove the wrappings from the frames, and then you want to make sure that your frames are clean before you get started laying down your decals. So you could clean them with a little bit of alcohol and a little cotton swab, and then make sure that you dry it to keep away the streaks. Now, I have heard that you can use coffee filters to clean your mirrors and stuff like that, and it definitely leaves it streak free. However, I haven't done it yet. So you guys let me know if it's true, if you've used coffee filters for cleaning your glass. Glass is clean. Now I'm going to take my transfer tape. I got to get just the amount that I kind of really need so I don't waste as much. And then I have my decal. This is the one that I found and cut out with my machine. And so now I'm going to figure out which way I want to place it. Okay, let's move this. Get a little bit closer for you guys so you can see what's going on. Try not to get bubbles in here, but I did. Okay. So I like to use my little squeezer. to do the front. Then I love to do the back. Make sure you don't have any bubbles and all of your decals are transferring over to the transfer sheet. And you peel away slowly. You have to start from the corner. Just like so. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. I love it when it comes together without any issues. All right. So then you have your mirror frame here. And position it exactly where you would like to have it on here. Because once you place it down, honey, I promise you it's going to be difficult, if even possible, to pick up every position. So let me just make sure my frame is straight, which is it isn't. Okay. Let's put it right about. I think here we good. I'm just going to transfer that over here. Make sure everything is going down. I'm going to peel it away slowly. Just like so. So we have that now, okay? So next we are going to put all the decals down, and then I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do after we get all of the decals down. So now we're going to do decal number 2. Okay, so as you can see, this picture doesn't have anything in the middle. I do want something in the middle, so I went and printed out this so I could put it in there like that. So I'm just going to take some transfer tape and do the same thing. And I'm going to place it down right in there. I'm just going to remove this backing from the picture frame only because I don't want to get this frame dirty. And I'm going to lay down some paper, and then we are going to glam this piece up right here. Next step is I'm going to add some Mod Podge to certain areas of this mirrored frame where I want glitter to be. Once I get all the Mod Podge on there, I'm going to then sprinkle it down really well with glitter so it can have that glam factor. Just clean off the fingerprints with glass cleaner this time after I've allowed the Mod Podge to dry. Alright, so what I did, I went back and I removed the glitter from this portion and this portion because I decided I didn't want it there because it was too combining. So all I did was let that Windex cleaner sit there and soak, and then I was able to wipe it clean. So that's awesome to know, because if you guys make any mistake and put glitter anywhere on here that you don't really want it, before the Mod Podge dries completely, then spray it with some Windex cleaner, let it sit for a second, and then you can wipe it clean and start over. So that's wonderful to know. Okay, and this is going to be another quick way. I don't think I'm going to do glitter on this one. I'm just going to kind of use these gems pretty much to achieve the look that I want. See how I got those like that? And I'm going to do the same over here. Alright, you guys, this is the final look of this complete DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.